What is it?
Now we will connect the beginning sounds of the picture, okay? Okay, what is this?
Jar.
Okay, find jar. The beginning sounds, what letter?
Yama.
Letter
Okay.
J, yes. Okay, next, what next? Check what is next. This.
8.
Yeah.
What?
Okay, connect.
Number 2.
Yes. What next?
I
Okay, connect. Next. What next?
King.
Okay, connect. Very good. Okay, here, the other one. What's this? What is this?
And next.
Okay. Okay, connect all. You need to connect all.
O.
Hmm?
Apple.
Octopus. Next. What next?
And mouse.
Mouse, okay.
Squeaky.
Okay, connect.
And
What's the last one? The last one. Last picture, what is that? Did you see or no? It's this. What's that? What? I cannot hear. Lamp. Okay, what letter? Okay, what letter that one? Okay.
L.
Yes, very good. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, now we go other side. It's okay. Next. What is this? Yeah?
Socks.
Can you find the beginning sounds of socks? Like that. Find.
S.
Yes. Good. Next. What next?
Q.
Who's this?
Queen.
Yeah, okay. Connect. Where is Q? Connect Q to Q. Okay. Next. What next? Here. What is this?
R.
This one. This. What is the name of this?
Pumpkin.
Okay. Pumpkin. Where is for pumpkin? Connect na.
Pumpkin P.
Yes.
Higher. B.
Good. Okay. What's the last one? Who's that?
R. Weber.
Okay. Connect. Very good. Okay. Next. This one also. Watch. Watch. Which one?
Barbie.
Okay. Next. What next? Who's this?
Toto.
Okay. What letter? Quickly, ah. Turtle. Turtle. Okay. Yes, you're right. Okay, connect the letter. Yes, you're right. Okay, connect.
Why?
Okay, connect now.
Those are very shy.
Yeah.
I'll share back.
Yes. What is this?
Wow.
Yeah, umbrella. Where is for umbrella? You. Okay, good. Next. This.
Barbie.
Violin. Okay. Making music. Yeah. Yes, you're right. You know how to write V as in violin.
B.
Yeah. Okay, right. I connect.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Okay, here. What is this? Huh? What is this?
Zipper.
Zipper. Yeah.
Z.
Yeah.
Zipper.
Yes.
I can do zip. Make
Okay.
noise.
Mm.
Zip.
Okay, connect first. Zipper to Z.
Z.
Okay. Next. What is this? What is this?
X.
Yeah, X for? Yes, okay. Silo?
Yeah.
Xylophone. Okay, connect. Where is X? Yes. Next. What is this?
Yo.
Okay, connect. Connect na. Yeah, good job. Now this one also, you need to circle the beginning of the object. What is this?
Hammer.
Hammer. Ha.
X.
Yes.
Circle.
Yes,
X.
make circle. Good. Now this one.
R. Wing.
Good boy. Next. This one. What is this?
G. Gate.
Gate. Yeah. Okay, circle. Next. What's this? Lock. L. L or Y?
L.
Okay. Next. What next? Check what is the last one. Yeah. What is this?
S. Sun.
Okay. What is this? The last one?
Apple.
Okay. Circle. Very good. You did it. Can you read this? What's this?
A. Hammer.
Hmm?
R. Wing.
Hmm?
G. Gate.
G gate. Yeah.
G. Gate. L. What?
Alak. Yeah.
F. Port.
Okay.
S. Sun.
Good. Next, this one. What is this?
Z. Zipper.
Hmm?
Z. Zip. Zip.
This?
Exciting. Ding. Ding. Wire.
Yo-yo. Yeah, very good. Hmm.
Bat.
Hmm?
Cat. Apple.
Hmm? What's this?
Dog. Bun. Gum.
Hmm?
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay, next. This?
Jar. Jar.
Yes.
Hat.
Hmm?
Equal. King.
Okay.
Nest. Apples. Mouse. Lamp.
Lamp. Okay. This?
Socks.
Hmm?
Queen. Pumpkin.
Hmm?
Rabbit.
And then, what is the last one? This. What?
Watch.
Hmm? What's that?
Turtle. Guava. Byron.
Yeah, good job. Thank you.
Red apple.
Hmm?
Orange.
Hmm?
Yellow.
Yellow sun. Green.
Flowers.
Yeah, green flower. Okay, next. What's color?
Pants.
Yeah, what's
Blue
the
pants.
blue pants?
Purple blade.
Hmm?
Brown teddy bear.
Yeah.
Black bird.
Yeah, bird. Good job. Thank you. Say bye. Thank
Bye.
you, everyone.
Thank you, Edward.
Okay. Love you.